Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Pirai Academy. In the series of Zoho interview question, today we are going to see about a question called most common word. It is Leetcode question number 819. Given a string paragraph and a string array of a banned words banned, return the most frequent word that is not banned. It is guaranteed there is at least one word that is not banned and that the answer is unique. Fine. The words in the paragraph are case insensitive and the answer should be written in lowercase. So they have clearly stated that case insensitive, which means uppercase and lowercase both are same. Okay. Note that word cannot contain punctuation symbols, which means here ball comma is not a word. Okay. Ball alone is a word. Okay. And this comma is like a punctuation. So it should not be included. Fine. Now let us see with an example to know it in clear way. So see here. Here Bob hit the ball. The hit ball flew far after it was hit. So this is the given paragraph. Okay. And then banned words are hit alone. There may be more than one words also, but as of now they have given hit only. Now we want to find what is the maximum or what is the most frequent word, right? So first of all, let us clearly understand what is meant by frequency. Frequency means how much time that word is occurred. So Bob is occurred one time, hit is occurred 3 times, a is 1 time, ball is 2 times, the is 1 time, flew is 1 time, far is 1 time, after is 1 time, it is 1 time, and was is 1 time. Okay, so these are the count of the each and every values. Now tell me what word that occurred maximum number of time. It is hit, right? This hit is occurred maximum number of times. Okay, so basically you may also ask, here ball is capital, here ball is small, but why you have took it as similar thing? Because it is case insensitive. Can you understand this? Okay, as of now the hit is the highest frequency, but hit is occurred in the banned array, so we cannot take that hit. Okay, what is the next thing? It is ball, right? Because of its frequency as 2, so I will be returning the output as 2. Simple. So basically while seeing this question itself, it is quite simple, right? So what are the steps? It is direct question. We don't have brute force, better and optimal solution, or to add some of the complex algorithms, or we want to know some other data structures, right? It is simple. We can do it with set, hash map, and array. That's it. Okay. So what's the first step? First step, we want to make this given string as a case insensitive, right? So they want us to return in a lowercase. So first step is convert all the words or all the characters to a lowercase. Fine. Now what is the second step? The second step is just take each and every word. Okay, which means we want to extract each words. Okay, extract each words from the paragraph, and we want to do what? We want to store them in a counted way or counted manner, which means we want to take the frequency by using what? Hash map. So this extracted words are stored in the hash map as a counted format. Okay, and then the last step is to take the maximum among them. Okay, while storing itself we will be storing unburned words. Okay, fine. So this is the overall procedure we want to do to solve this question. So coming with the first procedure, we can use inbuilt function, or else if we want to use without inbuilt function, then we can go with the plus 32, which means lowercase plus 32 to their ASCII value will be giving us what? Uppercase. For example, 65 plus 32, which is equal to 97. So capital A's ASCII value plus 32 gives the small a. Can you understand this? Right. Now, how to extract the words? Now, here comes a twist. So, basically, let me take some of the words. Actually, they all are what? Now, it will be in lowercase. So, Bob hit a ball. So, let me take this alone. Okay, take this alone. Or let me take this there also. Fine. Now, how to extract this sentence? First of all, I will be standing here, right? Okay. Now, whether it is a letter, this B is a letter. Yes, it is a letter. So, I will be taking in my auxiliary string. Now, whether this O is a letter, yes. So, I will be taking. Whether this B is a letter, yes, I will be taking. Now, whether the space is a letter, no, it is not a letter. So, I will be including this in my array. Okay. Now, while including in my array, I will be first. I'm just seeing that this string is not empty. Yes, it is not empty because it contains some word, right? So it is not empty. That's why I am added. I will be telling you why we are checking that it is not empty. I will be telling you. Now here comes hit, right? So we want to empty once I added in the array. Now this h will be added here. Then here comes I. Then here comes T. Fine. Now again when I am going here, it will be what? Space. While I am encoding the space, it is not a letter, right? Actually, it is not a letter. That's it. So I will be adding here and make this as again empty. Okay. Now again here comes A. So I will be adding A. Now here comes space. Okay. Whether S contains any word? Yes. Yes, it has some letters, right? So A will be added here. Now here comes B. So I will be empty this and now comes B. Then now comes A. Now here comes L. Here comes L. Again, here comes what? Here comes comma. Comma is not a letter, right? So I want to check whether this S has something. Yes, it has something. So I will be adding here and I will be emptying it. Okay. Now again, I will be going here. Here what? Space. So now comes the twist. Whether this S contains anything? No, it is empty, right? That's why I don't want to add here. Now hope you understand why we are checking that it is empty or not. Okay. Now again go here. So it is T, again H, again E, again to the end. So the last word is not included, right? So that's why after we are entirely traversing the whole sentence, okay, again I want to check whether after the loop I want to check whether this S contains any word. If it contains any word, I want to add here. Can you understand this? Fine. Now this is how we want to add. While adding itself, I will be adding like Bob 1 count, hit 1 count, a 1 count, ball 1 count, the 1 count, like this. Okay. If Bob again occurs, it will be like 2 count. If hit occurs 3 times, it will be 3, like that. Okay. If in burned words, if there is a hit, then I don't want to add this. I will be checking once that the burned words contain this or not. So for the efficient checking, I will be just using a set data structure for the efficient searching. Okay. First of all, I will be making the banned words to be a set data structure so that I can easily search in them of O of login as a time complexity. Hope you understand this problem, right? So that's it. And then at last I will be taking the maximum among them. So it is basically a direct question. That's why I'm just given a limited explanation. Fine. Now tell me what is the time complexity. The time complexity will be O of, first of all, I'm traversing the entire sentence, right? So it will be O of n. Once I'm traversing it itself, I will be pushing them into my dictionary or hash map, right? So it will be O of n log n. Okay. And then next I will be traversing this hash map, which will be up to of n or log n, which is minimum, right? So that's why the overall time complexity will be n log n. N will be the given sentence. Okay. Now what is the space complexity? It will be O of n because we are using an auxiliary hash map and auxiliary hash set. So this is the time and space complexity analysis. Once you have seen the problem's code, it will be more clear. So this is a code. Always prefer a Java code for the Zoho interviews. So see here. First of all, I'm just making the entire sentence into a lowercase. Then I'm just taking a set data structure to store the banned words here, and then I'm taking a hash map to just take the count of each and every words while storing it. Fine. Now string builder of word is equal to new string builder of, because we cannot concatenate in our string, while we can concatenate or we can mutable. The string builder is mutable, that's why I'm using this. Now I'm just traversing over the each and every characters in the paragraph, and if the current character is a letter, then what should I do? I should be appending to the word. Okay, else what should I do? I should be checking whether the word length is greater than 0, which means it is not empty. If it is not empty, then only I am just taking that word as a string. Okay, it is a string builder. Now I am taking this as string, and I am just checking whether it is not in the banned words. If it is not in the banned words, then I will be just putting into the hash map as a count with a count. Okay. Now I will be emptying the word. Hope you understand this entire looping. Now once this looping is finished, again I want to check whether there is any word left over, the last word. Okay, if last word, then there is a punctuation dot, then it is not necessary to write this, right? Because we are but we are not sure that there is a last full stop in every sentence. Okay, there may be a blank also. That's why I am just also ensuring that whether there is a last word left over, then again I am doing the same process. Whether the last word is also not in the banned words, then I will be inserting into the hash map as a count. Okay, now at last I am just building a result. Okay, in this result I want to take the maximum, right? That's why I am taking a maximum variable. Now I am just traversing over the entire map. Okay, and in that entire map I want to take the maximum. That's why I'm just checking whether the current value is greater than our resultant maximum. Is it is so, then I want to take the maximum as the current value, and we want to take the result as the key. Okay, as a current key, which means the current word. Okay, and I will be returning the result. So result will be that maximum occurred word that is not in the banned array. So let me submit this. Yes, it is submitted successfully. To know about these kinds of algorithm, just go and search in my YouTube channel. And if you really like this video and subscribe to my channel. Don't skip any videos in this playlist, because every videos will be useful once you are appearing for the Zoho interviews. Thank you.